In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to repair the back glass on an iPhone 13. As you guys can see, it's cracked right up here. And this happens to be the pink color. The color doesn't matter. I have all colors for all the iPhone models. iPhone 13 back glass repair. Let's get right into it.
All right, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys a general idea of how I do back glass repair in my store. So this is what they call a laser machine, and this is what I use to do the job. And I'm actually going to show you two separate cell phones in this video. This iPhone 13 and then plus another filming of an iPhone 12. So what I do right here is I go on my computer right here, and then I go in the software and I choose the brand Apple, and then I scroll all the way down and I find the phone that I'm working with, so which is the iPhone 13. So then I'll pick and choose it and I'll hit load, and then you'll see the pattern of how the laser is gonna shoot on the back of the phone. So you see right there, you see that big old white circle area. All the white circle or the white area is where the phone is not gonna get lasered on. And that's like the pattern on the how it's gonna look on the back of the phone. You saw the laser that was on there. And then you set up a couple of more things, and then you just pretty much hit go on the software. So the laser's already started now, and you can change you can manually change the strength of the laser, and you can also change how fast you want it to go. So this one is kind of going through it pretty quick. This part right here that you're seeing is not edited. It's not being sped up or anything like that. But you can slow down the laser if you want to. And you'll see the kind of the color in the glass is kind of disappearing. So what the laser is doing, the laser goes and it shoots through the glass and it hits the back of the phone. It hits the glue and the adhesive. The adhesive glue, it's like super strong. So the laser, it breaks up the glue. So then I'm able to take off the back glass. So this is going through it a second time, and then now you can see the paint on the phone, or the color is starting to disappear. And now you're gonna kind of start to see what's underneath this piece of glass, which is on the back of the phone. And then you'll see like this glue all spread out through the back, and that's what keeps the glass on. Now I'm gonna start to speed it up right now. So right now I sped up the video so you can see this in a faster time. I'll let you guys just watch. So this process, I do this depending on phone, right? So usually I'll do this, I'll let the laser run about 4 times. So this is already the second time that it's running. So if you just do it once, the glue is not broken down enough for you to pick off the glass. It's gonna be too strong. You're gonna have a hard time taking off the glass. So I let it generally run like 4 times. As you can see, the laser goes around the camera. It already has the laser machine already knows what to laser and what not to laser.
So here's how the phone looks after the laser machine. Now it's time to remove the back glass. All right, so the back glass has been removed. Now we have to clean all this stuff up. All right, so after the back glass is removed, this is how it'll look like. So the laser, I'm gonna run the laser a few times and it'll clean up that glue back here, all this old adhesive.
So this is now, I switched over to the iPhone 12. because I forgot to, first off, I didn't show how I remove the back glass. It kind of just picks off, right? And then you'll just see all this gunk left that's underneath there. So I run the laser again several times. It all varies on the phone, but generally on average, I run the laser like 2 to 3 times on this part right here. And once you see the laser shaving down the glue, and then you can see the laser or the glue, how it's getting zapped by the laser. It starts to turn into kind of like a powderish. And then that fume extractor, it catches the dust, I guess. And you see I have that blue tape on there. That's where the what do you call it? That's where there's like a little the flash. So I don't want dust to get into the phone, so I just put a piece of tape over there to cover that area because there's kind of like a hole there. All right, so now I have the glue all cleaned up off of this thing. I added magnets right here because usually these fall off right here, this MagSafe magnets. You can buy these probably for like $1.50 for these magnets, and there's one right there too. So what I'll do is I'll use this glue right here, and then I'll put it around right here, and then this glass will fit right there, right on top. And I'll show you guys after I put the glue right here. I'll show you guys before I put the glass back on. All right, so as you guys can see, I put glue all around there, just like that. And now this thing gets put on. I'll peel the sticker off and then I'll lay it on there. All right, so I got the sticker thing peeled off, as you guys can see. See if I can get this on with one hand. I'm gonna put it on pause real quick, but that's how it goes on. So you can see, I just need to push it down. You guys see, I wiped that stuff off. This is also the iPhone 12 that I'm showing you guys, and I'll go back and show you the iPhone 13. All right, so I got the clamps all on there. I'll let it sit probably for like 20 minutes or so, and then I'll call the customer and so she can pick up her phone. This is her phone case right here. So I'll just let it sit here, and this one is pretty much done. And then we're switching back to that iPhone 13 that I originally started this video with. I do take in mail repairs, so if nobody in your city knows how to do this, or just compare my price, if you guys want to mail your phone into my store, I'm gonna link my store's website. It's San Diego Cellphone Repair.com. It's a very easy website. But if you want, click in the description, and if you want to mail your repair, contact me through my website, either by phone call my store, or hit the contact page and it'll send an email directly to my phone. You guys remember, you guys can mail your phones in for repair too. If any of you guys are interested in learning how to repair cell phones yourself, I do have a cell phone repair course, link in description for that also. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.